Hi guys, my name is Kadam Saicharan. Welcome to WP Toolkit Traffic Guard Review. So in this video, I'm going to give you a detailed demonstration of how WP Traffic Guard works, and I'm going to show you overview. Okay, what is WP Traffic Guard actually? Okay, so let's understand this in detail. WP Traffic Guard is the world's first WordPress plugin that instantly gives you fully monetized set and forget 404 error pages. Okay, if you get any 404 errors on your traffic pages, you can monetize it very quickly. I'm going to show you demo, so make sure you watch this video till the end while showing you exactly why and how your 404 errors happen, so that you can plug in holes and optimize your revenue in real time. Okay, so mainly you can optimize your 404 pages, because if you are getting loads of traffic to your website, you might be missing 10 to 20% of the traffic due to some unwasted clicks, wasted clicks. So you can monetize that. So I'm going to show you how that works. Before that, I'm going to show you my bonuses, so make sure you watch this video till the end. So this is my bonuses. Okay, so it's going to launch on August 19. Okay, August 19. So instantly boost your income with this self-optimizing and forget ads that automatically suck in pure profit sales from lost traffic. Okay, from lost traffic you can generate revenue. Okay, so here in this bonus page, you can see a demo video how this WP Traffic Guard works. Okay, this is given by the vendor itself. Okay, so what is my first bonus? Okay, my first bonus is JavaScript Commission Bot Pro. Okay, you can get this software for free. Okay, you can find a targeted audience of Instagram and Facebook, and you can fully monetize the traffic through this JavaScript Commission Bot Pro. Okay, and my second bonus, you can see my second bonus. You can create fresh content for your site in 5 minutes, because your site needs fresh content every day, because we generally lose ideas, we generally won't get innovative ideas every single day. We need some support. So for that, you can get fresh content for your site in just 5 minutes. Okay, this is my second bonus. Okay, and headlines. Okay, headlines is an important part in email marketing or in website or anywhere. Headline is an important part to catch attention. So you get this bonus daily headlines, how to get ideas. Okay, insert your headline. Okay, and traffic. Okay, traffic is an important part in generating revenue for your website. So here in this bonus, you'll understand how to get unlimited traffic to your site every single day. Okay, this is a very valuable bonus. Okay, and you're getting some plugins from the website. Okay, from the vendor itself, you're getting some plugins which is really important in like monetizing that 404 pages. Okay, so these are all the bonuses which is given by me. Okay, these are valuable bonus which will really help you in generating revenue through your website. Okay, in optimizing your website, in optimizing your 404 pages. Okay, these bonuses will help you a lot. Okay, and how to get your bonuses after your purchase, you will get this option of access affiliate bonus. You will get that. Okay, you will get the bonus very easily. Okay, so now let's understand. Now let's look at the sales page. Okay, this is a sales page. You can go whenever you want. Okay, instantly boost your income with this self optimizing. You will get the demo video in just few minutes, so just bear with me. Okay, instantly boost your income with this self optimizing forget and automatically suck in lost traffic. Okay, and here is a demo video for you. Okay, and you can see the price. Okay, if you purchase it today, the price is just $17. Okay, okay, fine. You can see, you can read all this. It's pretty self-explanatory. You can just I don't want to waste your time for that. Okay, and you can see he already said you how to install and everything. Okay, okay, so now we are going to the demo. Okay, so suppose this is my WordPress site. Okay, if you want to install this WP Toolkit Traffic Guard, okay, you just have to go to plugins. Okay, go to add new. Okay, go to add new. It's pretty simple, and you can click on upload plugin, and it will ask for a zip file. Okay, when you purchase this WP Toolkit Traffic Guard, okay, you will get one zip file. Okay, it has a license key, so you can insert that license key and you can get uploaded it over here. Okay, it's pretty simple. Okay, after you have uploaded your WP Toolkit Traffic Guard plugin, okay, just come down, just click on that. Okay, so here you have two ad templates. Okay, one is you can get 4 ads in one page when you get a 404 error page. I will show you how it works. And you can get only 2 ads. Okay, so I recommend you going for 4 ads because you can split test it very easily. You can see which ad will work. Okay, and you can see lot. Okay, one more thing, and how to get ad banners. When you click on this ad banners, okay, so you can add banners over here. When you click on choose file, you can click add banners. Okay, I have added 4 ad banners. Okay, you can see. So you can edit your affiliate link over here. When you click on edit, you will get an option to edit your affiliate link. Okay, you can upload banners from anywhere. Okay, a zip file or any other file, you can upload it over here, and you can give your affiliate link. Okay, for each and everything. Okay, hope you understood what I'm explaining. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, and now how it works. Okay, how it, you might be getting a doubt how it works. So I'll show you one post. Okay, I'll just go to posts. I'll just go to all posts. Okay, I'll just click on this post. So this is a post I have written. This is the link of that post. Okay, so you can see this is my, I created a simple page. Okay, techlionking.com WP toolkit. Okay, so suppose if I have typed something wrong. Okay, instead of WP toolkit, I just typed just KT. I just click on enter. Now you can see instead of 404 page, I can see these bonuses. Okay, instead of 404 page, I can generate revenue from this offers. Okay, when I click on this, I'll go to other affiliate page. Okay, I can sell that product. Okay, it's very simple, and here you can generate lot of revenue. Okay, because mainly you waste traffic 10 to 20% by just 404 pages. If you can optimize that, your 20 to 30% revenue you will generate nowhere. It will go nowhere. Okay, now, so hope you understood how it works. Okay, it's a small demo. Okay, you have a vendor demo also, you can watch that. Okay, you can watch that. And when I click on this WP traffic, okay, and you have add banners. Okay, you can upload your banners. Okay, as I already said, you can add 4 or you can add 2 banners. Okay, any your wish. Okay, and you can find, this is the best part guys. Okay, 404 banner stats. Okay, if you have 4 ads on one page, you can split test which ad is working for you, what ad you want to show first. Okay, this is the best plugin they have given. Okay, and you can see all the stats. Okay, where your traffic is going and everything, you can see it over here. Okay, so this is a quick demo. Okay, hope you understood what I'm explaining. Okay, already you have a vendor demo video also. Okay, it's pretty self-explanatory. Okay, now now I'll explain what are the upsells and bonuses the vendor is offering. Okay, so you can see over here. Okay, so front end, the cost is $17. Okay, only today the cost is $17, and you can get a powerful WP toolkit software and training modules. Okay, you also get the training modules on how to use this WP toolkit software and how it actually works. Okay, and upsell. Okay, traffic guard, done for you banner packs. Okay, done for you banner packs really saves your time a lot. You get some blog niche tools, 100k mega articles. You get some articles too. WP toolkit smart links, WP toolkit smart links add-on. So these are some upsells. Okay, but I recommend you taking upsell 1 and 2. Okay, and rest are optional to you. Okay, and front end is really, I already showed you the demo. It really works. Okay, you can really optimize that 404 banner pages. Okay, so you have the link below. Bonus page link is below the description, so just go to that description and just check out that bonus page link. Okay, this is a bonus page link. And when you click on any of these buttons, okay, when you click on any of these buttons, you get the access to my bonuses. Okay, my bonuses can be accessed only for 24 hours. Okay, so on 11:59 EST the product is live, and after that only 24 hours my bonuses is available to you. So make sure you check it out. Okay, and just click on the link below to access the bonuses. Okay, thanks for watching my review video.